you have a scooter like this, and you want to install a cell phone holder, so that way you're not going to lose your phone. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. All right, so as you can see, this is the product that I bought in Amazon. As usual, I am in US. If you want me to send you something, just let me know. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link so that way you can buy yourself. So this is what you're going to need. So this product, at least now, costs like $60. So because you see, you're not going to see any pipes or anything like that in the scooter, so you have to buy another adapter in order to hook it up. As you can see here, if you have a like regular scooter or motor, I mean motorcycle, it will be okay. In this case, as you can see, you're going to need the bar. So in this case, I got it from eBay, as you can see here, and it comes in different colors. So if you want, different color, you can get it. So it costs like almost 150, 120. So you're going to need that. It comes with everything that is needed, so that way you can install it without any issue in the reservoir. And these people, they reply like very quickly. As you can see, they are using even my picture. I sent it to them because they sent me the product like very quickly, and in 48 hours I had it here, and it came from China. And they have another pictures, so as you can see how it's going to look like, how it's going to be the end product. So now I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this very easily. So hopefully this video is useful for you and you can do the same. So now let's start with the product. All right, so as you can see, I got the bracket for this, or the cell phone holder. Okay, as you can see, I have the cell phone holder. So we're going to try it. It comes with the springs and everything. So this is the model that I got. And I bought the bar that goes in the middle. It goes in the reservoir fluid for the brakes in the motorcycle. So it comes with these screws that you see here, like that. And then this comes with this rubber's gasket or something that comes like that. I think it's like a rubber thing. So it goes here, as you can see. So it depends of the type of board that you have. So if you have like a big one, you use this one. If you use if it's too big, maybe this one. And if it goes in the middle like this one, it goes just in the middle, as you can see here. So now I'm going to show you the other part that comes like that. So basically this goes like this. So you have to put it around this, like you see here. And then you use the screw that came with it, the screw. So you put it here. And then you're going to close this up a little bit with the key. The only thing I don't like about this is it comes with so many keys. Is crazy. So you have to adjust it, maybe just a little bit, so the way once you have everything in place, you can decide, okay, I'm going to move it maybe more towards the right, left, or something like that. So it will stay like that, and then after that, you're going to grab the other part that goes, you put it just here. In order to do that, you have to untie this screw that you see here, otherwise it will not fit. And then after that, you're going to put this. So basically it goes like this. And then after that, you should be set. And then later you have to put the bracket that goes in the reservoir fluid for the brakes, which should be good. So you do the same thing in both ends and see how it goes. All right, so let's remove the screw from the brake fluid reservoir, and we're going to install the one that is against the close to the middle. So you have two, and we're going to do that. So once you do that, it will be very easy. Just make sure that you don't adjust it that much, and you can do the rest with the screwdriver or impact driver. All right, so now we're going to put this here. Then we will have to remove the other one. So it goes with this. We put the washer. All right. So as usual, I am in US. If you need any tools, parts, or anything, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Now, I have to use big the big screws. So they go kind of here. Now it's too long, as you can see here. So that is why you have to accommodate it a little bit. Do the same thing here. Tight this up. And then after everything is good, we should be able to tighten everything up much better. All right. We'll have to put this here, and the other one goes here. And like I mentioned before, you have to adjust this and the screw that goes in the middle. So that way nobody can take it out. This is like a security feature. If you're in a big city, maybe a good thing. If you're in a small city like me, I don't think so. Nobody will care about this. Now I have to see if I can keep it like that, if I can tighten this up as much as possible, and if this will do the trick. All right, I've been using this product for quite a while, and it works great. So it's not going to stay, on the air like you see it here in the picture. So when you use it and you put the phone, it's going to start touching the BMW logo, and that's it. I mean, just use it the way it is. It's going to stay like that. If you want to, avoid maybe scratching it for some reason, maybe you can put some small tape or something like that over there. I mean, for now, it works great. I never had any issue. And the phone is not going anywhere. At least with these two products, you're going to be very good. I was hesitant getting the Quattro. I think it's called Quattro. The one that is going to use only one reservoir fluid, for the breaker, for the brakes. And I think it's going to put too much stress in one of those reservoirs. So that is why I choose this bar that you see here. I think that is the best option. Also, if you want to move it around, I mean, you have more option, and it's not going to put all the weight in just in one place. I think that is a good thing. If you have any other experience or any other opinion, please let me know in the section below. And if you want to learn more about tools or anything else, just go to my playlist. I have many videos about different topics. Or if you have any question, leave it to me in the section below. And see you next time.